people, thanks for tuning into my channel. This is your host Chishma. Today is 9th of June 2020 and today is the next step towards the replantation process here in the मैदान area. अगर आपने मैदान area का first part नहीं देखा है तो just go to the I button up there and I will also mention it in the description. पहले वो देखिए, then you come back to this video. Right now I'm in the Victoria Memorial area. Just Victoria Memorial के सामने वाले area में हूँ. And first of all I'm late. Second of all I'm late. तो मुझे जल्दी से जल्दी पहुँचना होगा. ये ऑलरेडी ऑलमोस्ट 11:30 बज रहा है. So I'll meet you directly at the spot. तो ना फाइनली एट द लोकेशन. यहाँ पे पीछे फिर से पेड़ को उठाया जा रहा है. आई नो थोड़ा साउंड का प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है क्योंकि ये जो क्रेन है उसका साउंड आ रहा है प्लस ट्रैफिक भी है. एंड द वर्क इज बीइंग डन ओवर देयर. एज यू कैन सी ये पेड़ है, ये वाला पेड़ इसको सीधा किया जा रहा है. लास्ट टाइम वी केम हियर वी डिड पुट सम सॉइल एंड सम अदर मटेरियल्स ऑन द रूट. नाउ वी आर री-इरेक्टिंग इट अगेन. That's the first tree which we have replanted right now. अभी ये इरेक्ट तो हो गया है, नीचे रख दिया गया है. एंड ऑल्सो बाकी का जो मिट्टी है दैट इज बीइंग पोर्ड इनसाइड अगेन. या सो फर्स्ट वन इज सक्सेस. मैं थोड़ा लेट आ गया तो सुबह से मेरे को उतना अपडेट पता नहीं क्या क्या हुआ. आई रीच समवॉट अराउंड 20 to 30 minutes बैक. दैट इज द प्रोग्रेस राइट नाउ. ये पेड़ खड़ा हो चुका है एंड soil is being poured again. So that was the tree which you saw was the one which Varun Bhai was doing soiling and composting the last video. Others are working over there also on the other tree. और शायद से ये वाला पेड़ जो है ये वाला भी रिप्लांट कर दिया गया. एज वी कैन सी ग्रीन कलर का पेंट लगा हुआ है. सो बिसाइड दिस रेस कोर्स एरिया इन द मैदान यू कैन सी लॉट ऑफ ट्रीज बीइंग पेंटेड ग्रीन so that we can identify which all we have replanted. Here's one more. Yeah, this one. इसमें भी ग्रीन पेंट किया गया है. And there is this one as well. इस पे भी ग्रीनिश पेंट किया गया है. And do follow the official page of Rebuild Bengal on Instagram as well as Facebook. दोनों का link will be in the description down below. Follow the pages so that you can get regular update of whatever things are going on, including the replantation drive as well as the works that have been done for the islands in Sundarbans for the poor people over there. जो भी social work किया जा रहा है under the name of Rebuild Bengal. So you can follow it all on their Instagram as well as the Facebook pages. And also the BTS that is behind the scene of the replantation drive will be on my YouTube channel as well as their official Instagram and Facebook page. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel for the upcoming updates. Although मैं सारे में जा नहीं पाता हूँ. Anyways, I'll try my best to go. Luckily enough, we are also getting some kind of press attention right now. They are the people from News 18, I guess. Yeah, News 18 Bangla. So this process is also covered on the News 18 Bangla as well. There he is the videographer and there is the journalist also. So we are done with the first tree after I came. So now we are heading towards the next one. So we जाते and our mode of transport is as usual cycles. Best mode of transport right now. This one is the big one. जिस पर हम लोगों ने पूरा काम किया था. यहाँ पे शायद से डिगिंग किया जाएगा फिर से विद द JCB. और हमारा जो क्रेन है थोड़ा सा दूसरे साइड गया है बिकॉज सम काइंड ऑफ एक्सीडेंट हैपेंड एंड द ट्रैफिक पुलिस केम ओवर फॉर सम असिस्टेंस. सो वी आर हैप्पी टू हेल्प. सो एनीवेज अभी इसका काम शुरू करते हैं एंड लेट्स सी आज एक दिन में कितना सारा होता है. It's almost 2:15 in the afternoon और मुझे भूख लग गया था. एंड एज इट इज़ पीछे काम चालू है और मेरा कुछ काम है नहीं अभी वीडियो बनाने का. सो आई जस्ट ऑर्डर्ड सम सबवे एंड सम पेप्सी. तो यहाँ का लोकेशन देना था वैसे थोड़ा मुश्किल पड़ रहा था बट आई सेड कि यहाँ पे JCB का काम चालू है रिप्लांटेशन का विक्टोरिया के पास तो आ जाओ. सो इफ दैट पर्सन कैन कम ट्रैकिंग मी ओवर हियर सो एनी ऑफ यू कैन कम एंड जस्ट ट्रैक द ट्रीज. इस पर ग्रीन कलर का पेंट लगा होगा दैट आर बेसिकली हॉर्मोन्स. So just identify the trees and you can put some compost or some kind of water or something. So I just finish up my lunch and get back to you all and I'll keep it. Now finally the digging has been complete. कुछ 2-2.5 घंटा लग गया. Around अभी टाइम हो रहा है 2:45 हो रहा है अभी. And now they are putting some more compost inside the pit, and some others are putting some kinds of fungicides and hormones on the roots. अभी फिर इसको खड़ा करेंगे वापस सीधा. And the whole process is recorded live on the page of Rebuild Bengal as well as Kolkata Clean Air. So you can visit their Facebook page. तो वहाँ पे जो भी live अभी लिया जा रहा है, that will be also kept and posted on their page as well. So catch up over there if you have missed this. So finally the huge people tree, the grandma tree of all which we were naming it, has been re-erected again and it's back on its feet. All we have to do is just put back the soil sitting over there back to the pit and it will support its roots to stand up properly. Although the roots तो बहुत ही अच्छे से फैला हुआ है, but I hope it will be easy beyond this point because हर रोज ही थोड़ा बहुत बारिश होते रह रहा है, तो it will support the further growth of the whole tree. I guess there will be another tree after this for today. If not, I'll just head back to home after this. So if I'm going home after this, I'll keep you posted by being on the road. And back home, the team has managed to replant around 7 trees today, and the work will continue tomorrow as well. And through my video, I also want to clear one of my doubt regarding with this bird feeder. A lot of birds used to come to my balcony and roam around, and I used to give them boiled rice and some kinds of seeds like this. So मैं वहाँ पे दे देता था in a small bowl and katori. And as soon as I got this feeder from Flipkart and put the seeds inside it, and also I have put some seeds on the bucket down here below. So इसके बाद से what happened was the bird have started coming less often. And now almost no birds are coming, and crows used to come, but ये crows के लिए बहुत छोटा जगह हो जाता है. तो guys who are watching and have some experience with the bird feeding kind of thing, please do suggest me what to do. Is it because of the new feeder or because the lockdown is off and more cars are out? So please suggest me in the comment down below. So now let's talk about the replantation process which we started long back, and we saw the second part in my video today. Actually it has been going continuously. This was my second time going there and volunteering. So how you guys can support is go to the Facebook page and you can make donations via this link over here, which will go directly to the Rebuild Bengal project, which includes the replantation things as well as the help provided in the rural areas. And if you are from Kolkata, do find us on Facebook and come for volunteering in the Maidan area or anywhere possible, which will be updated on the Facebook as well as on the Instagram page, and do contribute in whatever way you can. So with that said, if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up by pressing that like button down there, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel by pressing the red button. So I'll meet you in the next video. Until next time, हंसते रहो, हंसाते रहो, जहाँ भी रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो. Goodbye, take care.